Welcome to the era of foldables, where foldable smartphones are making their mark. While they haven't fully taken over yet, these devices are becoming more practical and less experimental. With continuous improvements, foldables are getting stronger, more reliable, and boasting fewer limitations compared to traditional non-folding phones. It's been just a few days since the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 shipped to eager buyers, but now Xiaomi has revealed its own foldable phone that could potentially rival the Z Fold 5 in several aspects. The newly announced Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 might give Samsung enthusiasts something to think about. Xiaomi's Mi Mix series originated as the company experimented with bezel-less phone concepts. While the early devices were visually appealing, most phones nowadays feature bezel-less designs. Xiaomi then shifted the Mix series focus to another innovation, foldable phones. The Mix Fold 3 represents the conclusion of these efforts. Xiaomi has introduced a proprietary hinge design for the Mix Fold 3, an improvement over the previous version. This new hinge enables the phone to unfold with a hover mode between 45 and 135 degrees. This not only enhances media viewing on the foldable screen, but also offers practical benefits, like stable table recording. Additionally, Xiaomi claims the new hinge design can endure 500,000 folds, more than twice the Galaxy Z Fold 5's certified endurance of 200,000 folds. Further enhancements include a composite fiber back, reportedly 36 times stronger than glass, and a boosted Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 leading version. The cameras are crucial for any mobile device, as camera is now a main selling point for most of the top-tier mobile devices. One criticism about most foldable phones is that their camera setups can't match the top non-foldable phones. The camera array boasts a 50-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel periscope, a significant upgrade over the Mi Mix 2. The device houses a 4800 mAh battery and supports 67 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. And let's not forget the displays. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 boasts a spacious 8.03-inch, 1916 x 2160 foldable OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, along with a cover screen measuring 6.56 inches with 1080x2520 OLED and a 120Hz refresh rate. Both screens outsize those found on Samsung and Google foldables. Xiaomi's Mix Fold 3 symbolized this evolution with a proprietary hinge, robust build, and camera upgrades. This marks a shift in the tech world, and we're excited to witness what the future holds. Subscribe for more tech insights and stay tuned as we navigate the unfolding journey together.